Hello friends, here I am Talha Kaleem again in Mat and Cat Tips. Friends, today we are going to discuss a very important command in Autocad. If we say it, blood and soul of 2D drawing in Autocad, that will not be wrong. So, let's do it. Autocad is already opened. Let's open a file I have already made to show you how trim works effectively. Here you have two examples that we will solve for trimming. One is a combination of two four-sided shapes, maybe quadrilaterals, and the other one are just simple lines with extra edges to be trimmed. Now, interestingly, we can play around with these figures to get some new interesting shapes. Type trim and press enter. Then select those lines which you want to act as boundary lines or separating lines for trimming. Now once done, press enter and start clicking on the lines you want to be trimmed. Now, to accept the trimmed lines, press enter again and repeat the whole process for trimming any extra lines needed. Now, see the interesting shapes we get with trimming. Similarly, for the other drawing. Sometimes people use trim command in an easy way, and I was one of those months back. So what it is, you type trim, press enter and then again enter without selecting any lines. What it does is that it selects all the lines as boundary lines for all other remaining lines. And if there are a lot of lines, it creates a mess in the scene. So I avoid this in crowded and overlapping scenes. Let's just try this out on our current scene and let's see what happens. I hope you found this video interesting and useful. In the next video, I will come again with some excellent tip. Just wait for it. And do not forget to subscribe channel and press bell icon. Goodbye.